Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get the voice changer on the TikTok. So if this feature is not available on your TikTok, how you can get it? Procedure is pretty simple. Watch this video till the last, and if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First step is that you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, here you will see update button. Simply update your TikTok and try to find out the voice changer button on your TikTok. Other option is that you can simply click on the tap a while on the TikTok icon, and here you will see info button. Click on the storage and the cache and clear your cache from here and try to find out the voice changer option on the TikTok. If it's still not working, just here you have to click on the clear storage, and once you will click on the clear storage, maybe you will find out this feature on the TikTok. If it's not, it means this feature is not available now in your region. So these are the ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any confusion or any question, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.